Yeah, we out here rapping, teaching you about science.
On the mic,
It's John,
Nico, Carl, featuring 2 Rice. Here we go.
aka Tyler. Come on.
Cellular Respiration. We out here rapping about stuff in ourselves. It makes light living, powering ourselves. It can make energy to pick up some big shacks that are intro first and look for some steps and facts. First started with a little glucose. Put it in the cytoplasm where it's engrossed. Break it up into parts, enzymes in there. It's anaerobic, don't need no air. 2 ATP phosphorylated together. Add a lace, take the half, split them from each other. 2, 3 carbon chains are now water left. 2 NAD plus cis do some theft. Hydrogens and electrons are what are taken from the 2 NAD oxidation. 4 ADP more exchanges. Take out phosphate from the 2 chain, get to the last stages. Glucose now supposed to be 2 NADH2 pyruvate and 2 ATP. And those are produced during glycolysis, but there's more, and that's the way it is.
That's just how we respire. That's how we make ATP. That's just how we respire. Ah, yeah.
Got 2 pyruvate at mitochondrion stages. Misplaced CO2 then NAD plus in there. The oxidation taken to make this coenzyme A2 acetyl-CoA. Take acetyl and cycle, that's where it works, right? Now take 4 carbon, add 2 carbon, real tight. Reduce with an AD plus and take our carbon, brothers. Times 2 going through in these pods from mother. And for sure it ain't over yet. Use ADP, make ATP in these steps. It's FAD using the step, that's fact. It's FADs to that's made reducing that. NAD plus next to change makes a 4 carbon sugar, now they're going through it again. Through circles, that's what cycles go through. With the crabs, everything must be always some 2. For each and every pair of pyruvate, 6 NADH2, FADH2 ATPK, citric acid cycle.
I thought it was crab.
Hey, they're just both the same.
That's just how we respire. That's how we make ATP. That's just how we respire. Ah, yeah. First is glycolysis, Krebs, and then the ETC. That's just how we respire. Ah, yeah. We got no oxygen. It's time to make energy through fermentation. Let's get rid of Krebs cycle, let's get rid of ETC, and let's start talking about recycling NAD. You see, now we can make ethanol and lactic acid. Make it what we gotta make to survive.
Now for the final phases. Now it's time to use the ETC on inner membranes. Oxygen makes more ATP. Aerobic, made of some protein. They pump electrons through to cause release of energy. And NADH is path 3, FADH2. Proteins get some protons, push them so they're through. They go through protein 1, protein 3, protein 4, all out the matrix. Now at the end get H2O and ATP synthase to get back to matrix homes. So hydrogen go and spin this. ADP come making ATP up in this. ATP 34 for pyruvate 2. That number doesn't sound now cool. And if we go and take a step back, see ATP pass, we get 3 ATP back. Cause we always got to worry about the payback. Cause respiration got our back. Going through for us all these years. Like a Krebs ETC, that's the way cells breathe.
That's just how we respire. That's how we make ATP. That's just how we respire. Ah, yeah.